Hey everyone, I'm Cayden.
And I'm Angelo. Today we're diving into the geochemical cycle, the natural way Earth recycles its most important elements.
We're talking about carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, oxygen, and water, all consistently moving through the atmosphere, soils, oceans, and living things.
It's like Earth's version of a recycling center, but way cooler. These cycles keep nutrients balanced and life going.
Let's kick it off with the carbon cycle. What are the main steps, Angelo?
We've got photosynthesis, respiration, decomposition, combustion, and ocean exchange. It's a full circle.
Right, plants take in carbon through photosynthesis, animals breathe it out during respiration, and decomposers release it when things die. Plus, we burn fuels, and oceans soak up the carbon too.
This mostly happens in the air, oceans, and soil. It's super important because it gives energy to living things and helps regulate the climate.
But we humans mess it up by burning too many fossil fuels and cutting down forests. The good news? Planting trees and cleaning up and using clean energy helps restore the balance.
Next is nitrogen. Even though most of our air is nitrogen, plants can't use it straight from the sky.
So bacteria do the heavy lifting. They fix nitrogen from the air into usable forms. Then plants absorb it, animals eat plants, and decomposers return it into the soil.
Other bacteria even turn it back into gas. That's called denitrification. Most of this happens in the soil with a bit of air and water.
Nitrogen is key for making proteins and DNA, but too much from farming or pollution, that can mess up the ecosystems.
Farmers can help by using better methods and planting crops like legumes that naturally add nitrogen.
Phosphorus doesn't hang out in the air like carbon or nitrogen. It mostly cycles through rocks, soil, and water.
It starts with weathering, rocks break down and release phosphorus, plants absorb it, animals eat the plants, and when they die, decomposers return it to the soil.
It's essential for DNA, cell membranes, and ATP. Basically, it's life's energy currency.
Humans affect it with fertilizers. That sounds good, but too much can lead to water pollution and algae blooms.
Now let's talk about water. This one's a classic: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation.
Water evaporates from oceans, lakes, and even plants. Then it condenses into clouds, falls as rain or snow, and collects in rivers or underground.
And it just keeps going. It moves through the air, water, and land constantly.
Living things need water for survival, and this cycle keeps fresh water flowing where it's needed.
Humans can hurt the cycle by polluting or using too much water, but we can help by saving water and protecting ecosystem.
Last but not least, oxygen. This one works alongside carbon.
Plants release oxygen during photosynthesis. Animals and humans breathe it in and give off carbon dioxide through respiration.
It also cycles through decomposition and exchange between the atmosphere and the oceans.
Oxygen's a must for breathing and making energy in our cells. Without it, we're done for.
Air and water pollution can lower oxygen levels. We can help by keeping our forests and oceans healthy.
So how are all these cycles connected?
They're totally linked. For example, plants need carbon, water, nitrogen, and phosphorus to grow, and they can release oxygen. Everything is working together.
They intersect in the soil, water, atmosphere, and in living things like plants and decomposers.
If one cycle gets thrown off, like too much carbon, it can change the climate and affect water and plant life. Everything's connected.
That's why it's important we protect the plant and keep these cycles running smoothly.
The geochemical cycles are Earth's natural life support system.
And it's up to all of us to keep them balanced. Thanks for learning with us.
Yeah.